Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Neon, manage Postgres databases in the cloud step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the Neon login URL. Once the page loads, locate the login form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your information, click the Login button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Neon dashboard. Here, you can manage your Postgres databases effectively. To create a new database, click on the Create Database option. Fill in the necessary details for your new database. Make sure to choose the appropriate configurations to suit your needs. After entering all the required information, click the Create button. Your new database should now appear in the list on your dashboard. To access an existing database, simply click on its name. You will now have access to a range of management tools for your database. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features and options. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged out of Neon. Consider closing the browser window for added security. That's it. You are now ready to manage your Postgres databases in the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.